Today on these markets, there was one particular set of candles, one pair that wiped a lot of you out, but it was also that pair of candles that made a lot of you a lot of money. In this video, I'm going to demystify a strange market open, show you what you should have done and how you could have avoided loss and had all of the gains of the futures this morning. How's it going, everybody? I'm Stephen J. Campbell. This is SJC Trades Futures, the only channel on YouTube that will tell you between 5 and 7 minutes what you should have traded, what you should have avoided, and how you can make a lot of money on the futures markets. So let's get to the charts. Now, had you sat down at market open, things looked pretty boring. They looked like they always look. And if you knew what you were looking for, you would have done the following. This may be a trend on my channel. I'm here to tell you a secret. Do you want to hear a secret? This isn't rocket science. This is pattern recognition that you already do in real life. Trading is not hard. The only reason you think 90% of people fail is because the vocal majority doesn't know what I'm about to show you. See, look at if we roll our chart back. See, it's easy for us to look at a few minutes before the market opens, which is right here. But if we look backwards, then we see something remarkable. We see a point right here where these bars simply can't go any higher. That's going to matter in just a few minutes. Watch, because many of you were only looking a little bit back. So you're thinking, okay, I'm going to watch if it breaks right up here. But when market opens, the real entry is up here where we just drew that line. And why is that? It is so dead simple. It's so simple and so easy a caveman could do it. Throw me a subscription because I give you pop culture references from 20 years ago. And also, yeah, I show you how to make money at this stuff. Aha, do you see it now? Do you see it? The ceiling that we drew, our support and resistance line that we drew, it comes to get blown out and decimated. But those lines are deadly lines. They'll treat you like the hot girl at the nightclub. They'll show you the time of your life. Then they could wipe you out and take everything you have like this. This ridiculous turnaround right here, I can nearly guarantee that there was hundreds, if not thousands of traders who got in at the top and then watched their hopes and dreams crater in about 45 seconds. I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing with you because for years I was one of you before I developed my own system, 1K a day. So what happens next? What do you do when this happens? Well, first you should understand when we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2-minute bars, this is 10 minutes of these going up. One bar right here isn't characteristic of an entire market turnaround. So at this point, you take your loss, you stop, you see what it does next. What it does next is actually quite typical when you see a massive fall off like this. Basically a 180-degree turnaround. We call this a bullish 180 because the first bar comes down and it just doesn't have the power. The second bar comes all the way back up. And if we count wicks, it even closes above. So it's at this point that you can go long and you can enter a trade. And there you have it, right? Our trade works out exactly how we think it will. We have a maximum peak here if you took profit at $1,200. And if we sit in that trade for just a minute, we can see that it blasts all the way through to the stratosphere. Now, why did this happen? Why did it have such a massive fall down and a spike up? Why haven't you subscribed to this YouTube channel? I do these videos every single day. I'm giving you basic patterns to demystify these markets. Subscribe right now. This happens because of a very simple principle, right? I want you to, and this is what I teach my students this in my course, 1K a day. I want you to think about the market like a giant tug-of-war. Now, typically a tug-of-war has two sides and they're pulling horizontally against the ground because human beings tend to adhere to gravity. But the market's no different. We have people that want to push the price up. Those are our buyers. And we have people that want to push the price down. Those are our sellers. And when we have this set up right here, where you have 5 candles in a row that have so much power, and you have wicks on these candles that close the candle bar green, you know that one particular candle right here, that's not going to ruin the party for everybody. And when the next candle comes up and encompasses it and beats it out, your entry point is at the very top right there. It's really basic, and you can go back on a chart, and a great way for you to practice is to go back and take a look at this pattern. See where this pattern manifests over and over again. Here is this exact pattern playing out yesterday in the overnight session. We have one candle that shoots way up, another one that tries to come down, and a follow-through candle after that that says not so fast. So in this case, it was candle goes up, candle goes down, candle comes back up, and the rest here is just dollars in your bank account if you knew what you were looking for. If you still haven't found what you're looking for, YouTube reference, I need you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And if you want me to hand you a blueprint, here it is. It's a blueprint. You can learn this stuff. You can go ahead and click the link in the pinned comment down below. You can go check out 1K a day. It's my own system. It's step-by-step, A, B, C, D, easy as 1, 2, 3. And you can find how you can spot these patterns too. 1K a day is the easiest way for you to learn how to get your money out of the markets as soon as possible. And at this point, I'm literally giving it away. $2,000 course, $197. Just use the code in the pinned comment down below, SJC02. Be sure to subscribe so I can demystify more of this for you tomorrow. We do these every single day that we have a trading day in the markets. And I'm going to promote it again because it's a great video. There is a video next to my head right now. It is me giving you many, many years of losing and trade advice in just a few minutes so you can jump over all of the troubles I went through, because I want to see you get better faster than I ever did. My goal in life is to help you be successful. This is Stephen J. Campbell with SJC Trades Futures. We'll get you in the next one.